If you want to write a will in Texas, I'm going to show you exactly how to go about it. There's a few formalities that we need to take into consideration, and there are some areas where we can apply our own changes or for our own needs. Let's have a look at it. So drawing up a will in Texas, you will start the statement with last will and testament. And here we're going to go straight in and say I, and we're going to add our name, residing at, our address, and we're in the country of the United States of America, and we are in the state of Texas for this specific will. Here we're going to declare this to be my last will and testament. Now, the first section over here is the revocation of prior wills, which means you revoke all prior wills, which is now meaning that this one will override any agreement or any statements that were made in prior wills. Secondly, you need to appoint an executor. So here you are going to just state the executor's name, and then you are going to discuss the distribution of your assets. And this is pretty much the most important section, because here you will detail all of your assets, the description of the assets, as well as the beneficiary's name to whom these assets will be received by. Over here, I've just got beneficiary name and beneficiary name. I've got 2, but of course, if there's more than that or just 1, that is fine. You can just add all the details in over here. And the last section is just signatures and witnesses. So you're going to sign this at a date in the presence of the undersigned witnesses, and you yourself will add your signature over here, as well as 2 witnesses adding their signature as well, and you can add their full names if you feel so necessary. If this was helpful, drop us a like. Now, just a small disclaimer, I am not a legal representative, I'm not a lawyer, I am simply just sharing some advice, some personal opinion. So please, if you need any legal advice, make sure that you consult a lawyer, and make sure that you're consulting a lawyer within the state that you are residing in.